when we're crowded and we're busy and we're behind, we don't sell because I'm afraid to sell. I'm afraid to try to do anything else because it's going to prolong you getting your car back. I lucked out because all the way back to 2011, I was fortunate to be a pilot for Dealer FX when it first kicked off. So it's been 15, 16 years. Since we implemented Dealer FX in that new store, and I think we are roughly 6 months in, there was a 17% increase in maintenance penetration on the service drive, and then following into the MPIs because of the ease of the process. But gross profit is up in that store, maintenance penetration is up in that store, and I owe it all to Dealer FX because it helped us create a better process.